When Baba comes back, tell him to bring me chocolate. 5-year-old Naya Al Farhan whispers to her mother Arij, her voice small and hopeful. Arij, now the only parent to 3 young children, feels the weight of that wish in her chest. They keep asking if Baba will come back for Eid, she said, her words trembling with a mix of love and grief. Arij is one of 14,323 Palestinian women who have lost their husbands since the Gaza genocide began. Mothers left to carry on without partners, without income, without homes, and for many, without hope. Tens of thousands of children have lost a parent since Israel's assault on Gaza started, their lives forever altered. The Palestinian Central Bureau of Statistics, in a heartbreaking statement released on the eve of Palestinian Children's Day, revealed that 39,384 children in Gaza have lost one or both parents after 534 days of the Israeli occupation's genocidal war. Around 17,000 of those precious souls lost both their mother and father. The Gaza Strip is suffering from the largest orphan crisis in modern history, the group declares, a cry that echoes through the rubble. These children now live in tents, shelters, or the broken shells of what used to be homes. Some cling to relatives for comfort, others are utterly alone, with no one left to hold them. They have stopped asking for toys or sweets. Some just whisper, "Are Mama and Baba coming back?" Their childhoods have been stolen, replaced by endless ration lines, sleepless nights filled with nightmares, and a trauma that clings to them like dust. Many bear the invisible scars of PTSD, struggle with bedwetting, wake screaming from night terrors, or live with the constant hum of chronic anxiety. Mental health support in Gaza, already a rare lifeline, has all but vanished. The statement lays bare a devastating truth. At least 17,954 children have been killed in Israeli attacks in Gaza, including 274 newborn babies and 876 infants not yet a year old. Their tiny lives snuffed out before they could begin. 17 children froze to death in a flimsy tents where displaced families huddle, their small bodies unable to withstand the cold. Another 52 slipped away from starvation and systematic malnutrition, their hunger a silent killer. Palestinian authorities sound the alarm. 60,000 children teeter on the edge of death, their bodies weakened by severe malnutrition and looming shadow of famine. Children and minors, those under 18, make up about 43% of the 5.5 million Palestinians living in Gaza and the occupied West Bank, a population where nearly half are growing up in a world of loss and fear.